Hi y'all, it's Felicia here with Camp Cares, and I wanted to show y'all our Get Creative line firsthand, and I'm going to show you our creative case first of all with some items in it so you can see how much it actually holds. Sorry for the lighting today. I'm trying to do videos while the kiddos are sleeping, so it's still dark here. So here's the Get Creative case. You'll see this is in one of our new fall prints. It does have two handles on the side, and then it opens just like with the Velcro, and then you'll see it has a ton of room. This is my hand just to show you for size reference. Okay, so I've just got a bunch of planner stuff in here, and then so I'll take it all out so you can see just how much it holds, okay? There's like 3 handfuls there. It's just planner stickers and, you know, embellishments and whatnot. And then you'll see it has like it has 2 pockets. I've got pins in that side, a marker I think, and then here's another one. So you'll see here that it comes about just not at quite the top, but about right here. So it's the perfect height for, you know, your pins, your scissors, anything that you might need that just to keep like really easy access to. Now the cool thing about this, oh, you can see I've got some other stuff in here. But the cool thing about this is it actually opens up for like a workspace, right? So you can actually have like workspace. And then here is a clear PVC pocket. Okay, it goes the entire length. So in the height. So you can keep, you know, whatever you need to keep handy. I just threw in, I had some business cards from people that I didn't want to lose. I don't know if I ever use them, but they're there. But anyways, basically what happened is I had one of my old bags that I just wasn't using really. I said, you know, I finally have something that I can put all my crafting stuff in. So that's the Get Creative case. And it does actually, like I said, open up here for easy access. The whole thing does come apart. It does like completely open up. So if you want it to be completely flat for your workspace, you can do that as well. Right? It also helps with storage. You know, if you're not going to be using it all the time, you're only going to be using it at your crafting events or your however you plan to use it. It actually does fold up really nice and flat. So that's really cool. I love that part. So yeah, so that it does come with a little card here to show you how to put it together. I know my lighting's terrible, but it shows you, you know, how the different ins and outs of the case to show you how to work that. And then it's really easy to put back together. You just Velcro the bottom and then close it shut there. And make sure you line it up. Pretty easy. And then, like I said, it fits quite a bit actually for being not such a huge case. You'll see in a minute when I show you the other cases how much space those have. This actually isn't super huge, but it holds quite a bit. I can get all this stuff back in here. Yeah, so that's our Get Creative case. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Felicia with Camp Cares. I will leave the link with the information in the description bar below. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you. Click the little notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon.